Hello. So that was an amazing day. The snorkeling here is underrated. That's all I'm gonna say. It was a revelation. Like today was a real revelation. Normally I've been snorkeling a few times in and around Snoopy Island and those places. Severely disappointed because it has been destroyed. I mean, I think tourism has taken its toll on that site, which really sucks. It used to be all right, but then I think now it's totally it's gone. But then I found this place, and I think this is gonna be my secret place, purely for that reason. Because I mean, obviously, the minute you start letting everybody know, and then it goes down the same path. I mean, this little stretch is still fairly clean. Sad to see there's still some plastic bottles floating. While I was in there, tried to get some plastic off. There's a lot of fishing line there. Like, I got some line. So everybody needs to do their part, yeah, as much as possible. We shouldn't just take, I think we should also give back. So it was really amazing. I have nothing else to say. I've taken some footage, hopefully that's turned out half decent. I don't know, I've also experimented with a new underwater filter, so let's see if that helps in the grading and color correction later. Let's see, hopefully there's some decent footage for me to show you guys, and the whole sea turtle experience was, I think that itself was worth it. I wish that bugger stuck around for a little bit instead of scooting so quickly. But no, amazing day. It's getting a little hot now, so I guess it's 11 o'clock. I was in the water for a good 2 hours. I think anything after that is, I'd like to venture out a little bit further down, but again, being by myself, I'm always aware of that. So I was always like about 200 meters, 200 to 300 meters away from the shore. So that way it's not a massive risk. Anyways, amazing day again. Can't say amazing enough number of times. That's my new weapon, specifically for one purpose. Doesn't involve fishing or hunting. Self-protection and getting rid of any line or plastics that's stuck on the reef. So yeah, happy go lucky, back to Dubai now. Starving, haven't eaten anything all day. Swam on an empty stomach, I think that was good. So yeah, that was it. I mean, just a quick vlog today, not much. There's actually, I don't know if you can see in the background, obviously there's it's quite hazy, but there are mountains there. It's very hazy, probably the humidity that's causing the haziness, but there are mountains all in the background. Yeah, all right.